Hello everybody, here's Rosalie.
Hi, here is patriciabereni.
Together we are bellepassion.
Today I will show you how to make these incredibly simple spiders from fondant, which you can use to decorate Halloween cakes or muffins.
And I will talk you through it. First, we will start with the spider's legs. We created them using an extruder. Place the fondant in a metal circle with holes into it. The size of the holes is determined by the size of the spider, which is why we chose the smallest ones. Make long strings using the extruder. Now, make a ball out of black fondant for the body and flatten the bottom a little. Cut 4 identical strings into legs, sized according to the body. Stick the body onto the center of the legs using water. Also use some water to stick the eyes and the orange cross onto the back of the spider. Color the fondant using edible gel coloring. These colors are usually not available in regular stores, but we link the shops where you can get them under the video. An example is the fondant we use, Smartex Velvet, which is the best of them all. You can both mold figures with it and even cover cake. For the spider's pupils, either form small dots out of black fondant or draw them with an edible marker. We also link this one down below. Place then the whole spider between 2 brushes or 2 pencils and bend the legs so that his body is on the ground and his legs go up and then down again. You can place the 2 front legs higher onto the pencils. Finally, we leave the finished spiders to harden in the air. These small spiders will be solid in about 1 to 2 hours. Now you can use them to decorate a cake or muffin. Have fun creating! Hope you enjoyed the video.
It was a lot of work.
And that's why we'd both be very happy if you would click subscribe.
If you've already done that, you can still like the video or write a comment beneath. You can also follow us on Instagram or Facebook.
Make sure to check out all the links under the video that we have prepared for you. We say goodbye.
Hopefully not for long.
Rosalie
And Patricia.